Hello folks, Double Tap here and welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a beer review on this. It is the Lancaster Bomber. Let me show you a little bit around the bottle. I know you're not going to see it too well from there, so it's coming a little bit closer for you. There we go, little look around the bottle. So, Lancaster Bomber. Class is best of British, I like that. Full-bodied amber ale, 4.4% volume, and got a nice little Lancaster up here. So, a classic English ale, chestnut in colour with a lovely full-bodied flavour, enriched with a wonderful late hop character, multi-award winning ale that pays tribute to the Avro Lancaster, and is quite simply the best of British beer. And got a bit of bump here. This is a Marston's House Brewery, Wolverhampton, so literally it's about 20 minutes, half an hour from where I am, and I drove past this brewery yesterday. So yeah, 30th of June 2019. Okay, let's crack it open. Let's have a little look at what's going on here. Whoa, 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 whoa there, Neddy. A little bit of life going on there, as you see. Okay, so we're pouring it off straight away. Let's let that settle a little touch. Okay, got a bit of froth in there, so let's give that a second to chill out. Crown cap, it's just a silver one, it's no logo. What I would have liked to have seen on this is a little Bomber logo up there. Oh, you know, like we've got here and here. I think it would have turned out quite nice. The sun is proper coming out today. Whoa, right then, let's get that over there. And yeah, beautiful chestnut colour that is, look at that. Hope the colours are coming through on there. Carbonation looks good, it's proper flowing through the glass, that is. We'll try and get it in the light a little bit. Yeah, okay. But yeah, beautiful chestnut colour. It's almost, you can see through it when you're holding the glass. Lovely head on it, look at that. That is proper nice. You've got that amber ale smell to it, like a Newcastle brown ale, that type of smell. Very light hops, very light malts. Smells really good, that does. So, cheers folks. Very nice. Its taste is quite mild in all fairness, but it's consistent all the way through. Might get a few more different flavours coming through this as the beer changes. I've had it in the fridge. The warmer it gets, the colder it gets, it obviously changes the flavours in it. But that is an absolutely cracking pint, it's beautiful. It's like a very mild bitter. Obviously it's an amber ale. I don't know what hops are in it, I don't think it's said. Yeah, it just says a light hop character. I don't think the Western Goldings, you can generally taste them straight away. So I think this is a different type of hop in here, because I'm not getting them Western Goldings ones. But I tell you what, it is proper nice. Cracking pint. This one cost $1.99, but that's like a local corner shop type of price. I suppose if you got it from a supermarket or something like that, it'd probably be around $1.50, $1.60, something like that per pint. But if you've never tried it and you like your amber ales, you like a light, mild bitter. You like sweet Newcastle brown ales, stuff like that, even Bass. If you like all of those type of beers, you're going to love this one because it is well worth a try. It's a fantastic pint. I'll definitely be buying this one again. Out of 10, 9 all day long. It's probably getting up there for on the 10 mark, but I'm going to give it a 9+ because it is a great one. Very nice. Like I said, if I see this in the shop and it's on offer or whatever, I'll definitely buy a few of these. So yeah, I think I'll leave it there, folks. Hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and like. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. And I'll catch you in the next episode. I'm Double Tap, and bye for now. Cheers. Lovely jubbler.